Hello. Uh, I'm Satyam, and today we are solving this code chef problem. And basically, this problem try to say how many zero occur when we represent this number in a bit format. Okay, I'll show you it. Okay, so let's take example of this number 10. Okay, so in binary, how we represent 10? It's 1 0 and 1 0. I'm sure in digital electronics you study about how we represent numbers in a computer in form of zeros and ones. That's how we represent numbers in a digital format. So as you can see, there is a two zeros in this sequence. That's why answer is zero. So how we know how many zeros in this number? So okay, so I'm using bit manipulation. So what I try to do, I maintain a temp, and initial value of temp is 1, and let's suppose is 10, and 1 is represented in a binary form like this. So whenever I perform a AND operation between these two numbers, it gives me 0 0 0 and 0. Why 0? Because in AND operation, if you AND between 0 and 1, it gives you 0. It gives you 0. Okay. So I'm taking advantage of this property of AND logic gate. So what I do here, uh, whenever I perform AND operation and I got a 0, then I'll increment my answer by 1, and for each iteration I shift this one by 1. I mean, I shift this position of 1 by 1. As you can see, if I AND between these two numbers, here I got 1, which is not 0, so I leave it answer as it is. Okay, let's shift this. Now I am getting here 0. Now I am getting here 0. Why? Because 0 and 1 is 0 in AND gate. So that's how I solve this problem. And after that, uh, if you uh, if you perform an AND operation between least significant bit, it will give you 1. Okay, so how many zeros we found? It's 2. That's why answer is 2. That's how I perform this operation. Or when uh, let's suppose I have a 64-bit integer, and when I stop this shifting, whenever our temp is greater than our number, in that case, I'll stop. I'll show you. I implement this solution in Rust, so it's pretty straightforward. I maintain a answer, and I maintain a iterator, and initial value is 1 as I mentioned here, and after that that iteration I shift iteration, iter variable by 1. Okay, so after performing AND operation between data and iteration, if it's give me a 0, in that case I increment this answer, otherwise keep shifting this bit, and whenever my iteration is exceeded, I mean whenever my iteration is greater than data, then it will break. Okay, so as you see, it's perfectly okay now. Hmm. I submitted twice.